Ever thought of building a dollhouse for a piglet? Yes, you heard it right. Who says only kids can enjoy dollhouses? In our world of boundless creativity, pet owners can engage in an unusual yet fun hobby of designing a dollhouse for their piglets. It's not just about crafting a shelter. It's about creating a sanctuary that reflects your love for your little pet. It's unique, it's creative, and it's something that will make your piglet feel right at home. Stay tuned to learn how you can make a cozy little paradise for your piglet. Before we dive in, gather these essential materials. First on our list is plywood. This sturdy yet flexible material forms the base of our dollhouse. You can easily find it in any local hardware store. Next, we'll need some nails to hold our dollhouse together. Pair these with a reliable hammer, and you're all set for the construction phase. Now, let's talk about the creative side of things. Paint is an absolute must. It breathes life into our dollhouse, transforming it from a simple wooden structure into a whimsical home for our piglet. Feel free to choose any colors that tickle your fancy. The brighter, the better. Lastly, we'll need some decorative items to add those finishing touches. Think small furniture, cute curtains, and maybe even a tiny chandelier. You can scout for these in craft stores or online. Now that we have everything we need, it's time to get our hands dirty. With all the materials in place, it's time to start building. Let's begin with the base, the foundation of our dollhouse. It's crucial to ensure it's sturdy and flat. Now let's move on to the walls. Patience is key here, as we want to make sure each wall stands tall and strong. Remember, it's not a race. Take your time to align everything properly. Next up is the roof. This part can be a bit tricky, but don't worry. Just keep in mind it's all about the angle. A well-angled roof will give your dollhouse that charming aesthetic we're aiming for. And lastly, we'll finish up with some final touch-ups. This is where your creativity shines. Feel free to paint or decorate it as you wish. And there you have it. Voila! A perfect dollhouse for your piglet is ready. Remember, the joy is in the journey as much as the destination. So relish the process and happy building. Adding personal touches to your piglet's dollhouse can make it feel more like home. Consider painting it in their favorite colors, incorporating mini furniture for a cozy touch, or even attaching a personalized nameplate. And there you have it, a dollhouse that any piglet would be proud to call home. Building a dollhouse for a piglet is not just about the end product, but also the joy of creating something with love. Today, we've learned how this unique project can foster a bond with our pets. If you found this video helpful and want to explore more such fun ideas, subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep the creativity flowing.